If you've ever had a client that is not a native English speaker and you need to use a translator, I'm sure it's blown your mind. We're going to talk about using a translator in this video. Hi, this is Sylvia Gordon with Gordon Marketing. We're training on using a translator to sell a Medicare Advantage plan. And today I have Erin Hawkins with us, who has recently used a translator.
Hi.
So Erin said it was kind of crazy, and so I begged her to come be on video. She's a little shy. A lot of you know Erin, those of you that work with us at Gordon Marketing, so this is her first video. Give it up. If you're at home, clap for her. Erin, come on stage here. Welcome to YouTube. Ah, everybody. So, you know, we all see all the different multi-language inserts and everything. If I have a client, which I get all the time, they don't speak English, how do I get to a translator with the company?
So it's all the way in about midsection in your booklet.
In your sales kit?
In your sales kit, and it's around the star ratings page, and they have all the different languages that tells them how to get a translator, but mainly it's one number that they call.
So if you have questions about using a translator, call us at Gordon Marketing, or you can call Erin. She's now an expert.
Hey, if you love my sister's videos, you're gonna love my videos. Check out more of my videos about the under 65 market with Short Term and Health Share Ministries.